Hey guys, hope you are doing good. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another easy question, I would say. This has also been asked in tech companies. Okay, so we are given this table with x, y, z. So basically these are the length of three sides of a triangle. Okay, in the first case it is 12, 13, 24. Then it's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 13, 14 and 29. Okay, now we are asked to find which of the following sets of values can actually form a triangle. Okay, so going back to our school life, we may know that to form a triangle, sum of two sides should always be greater than the third side, right? That is the condition. So we just need to apply that to find if these can actually form sides of a triangle. So we can select the three sides values, okay, and then let's put the case condition. So what has to obey here? So we'll say case when sum of two sides greater than third side. So x plus y should be greater than z and x plus z should be greater than y and y plus z should be greater than x, right? So sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. Then we will say yes, triangle. So basically it is a triangle. If not, if one of them disobeys also, we will say else no triangle. Okay, and I could say give it a name end as, right, syntax of case statement triangle. That's it. Okay, we can give it a name triangle. Now let's run. Now we see in this case it obeys, right? 12 plus 13 is greater than 24, 13 plus 24 is greater than 12, 12 plus 24 is greater than 13. So first three cases these properties are obeyed, but in the fourth case if you see 13 plus 14, 27 is less than 29. Since it disobeys, it cannot be a triangle, so we get no triangle. Okay, pretty simple question as you see, but you need to remember a property of triangle. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you again in another video. Till then, take care.